fourth natural resource that comes from plants is rubber. Rubber is very stretchy. It is easy to bend and is waterproof, so water cannot ruin the rubber. The rubber we use to make things comes from rubber trees like this one. The rubber trees are grown on large pieces of land called plantations. So there's a lot of rubber trees that we use and can get the rubber from. You see this white liquid here inside the rubber trees? This is called sap. And the sap is taken through a small hole in the tree. It looks like yellow milk. This white and yellow colored liquid is called latex. Latex is what turns into rubber. So once we take the latex from the rubber trees, we can turn it into all of these things that we use and our family uses. We can use that as car tires, our erasers that we use at school, balloons at a party, and rubber gloves. We are using rubber all the time. And they come from our plants and our trees.